Want to make your TikTok account private? Transforming your public account into a private account helps reduce the unwanted comments, spam, and harassment. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of making your TikTok account private. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Likewise, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Here, tap on the Privacy option at the second. Here you can see the private account option. Now tap on the switch bar to make your account private. So this is how you can make your TikTok account private. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.